All right, so I got ChatGPT to make a rhyme for this next recipe. So here it goes. Zucchini pasta, a savory feast. Anchovy basil, the flavors are released. Pecorino cheese adds a sharp embrace, creating a dish that's simply first place. Eh? Not bad, not bad. First things first. Grab yourself 3 to 4 zucchini. I broke this one for my intro, so I won't be using it because I'm cutting them into long strips to mimic the spaghetti that I'm using. Now you can grate your zucchini or even cut into small cubes or chunks, whatever you like. And if you don't like zucchini, give it a try. It's one of my absolute faves and I'll never stop eating it.
Zucchini, try it once, the taste is beguiling. Try it twice and your mouth will be smiling. Zucchini, I'll never stop eating zucchini.
Now, you can leave the skin on as well, and if you want to get really fancy, you can use a spiralizer, or you can leave the middle out with the seeds, whatever you like. And once you're all done, we're just going to set aside. Next, finely chop up half of a small white onion. And then we're just gonna smash 1 garlic clove, and we're using it to infuse the sauce rather than keeping it in. But if you want, you can finely chop it up and add it to the sauce. Then we're gonna grate a nice snowy mountain of Pecorino Romano cheese, about 60 grams worth. Add a nice big drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to a pan on medium heat. Now add 2 to 3 anchovies. Don't worry, these will melt right into the sauce and add a really nice umami flavor. Trust me, you won't taste any fishiness if you're on the fence about anchovies. Then add the onions, the garlic, chili flakes for heat, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and saute until the onions are soft and the anchovies have all broken down and melted away. Then we're gonna add the zucchini. Now, I should have done this in either batches or get a bigger pan, but it is gonna reduce in size. And we're just gonna cook the strips down, and they might break up on you as they begin to cook, and they're gonna release a lot of moisture, so we're just gonna wait until they're nice and tender and most of the moisture has been cooked away. Then you're gonna season with salt, and you're gonna taste and adjust any seasonings. Then add your pasta to a large pot of boiling salted water and cook a couple minutes before al dente, as we will finish cooking it in the sauce. You can also remove the garlic at this point, and we're gonna add a ladle of pasta water to the sauce along with the pasta. And now it's time for la mantecatura, marrying the pasta to the sauce, mixing and tossing, adding more pasta water if needed. Once the pasta is done, we're gonna finish with as much fresh torn basil as you like, and turn off or remove the pan from the heat and add your cheese a handful at a time, mixing and tossing, and you're gonna be left with a nice, beautiful, silky sauce. Plate it all up, add a drizzle, fresh extra virgin olive oil, some freshly cracked pepper, more pecorino, and bring it to the table. This is summer on a plate. It's delicious, nice fresh zucchini and the basil. Oh, the anchovies, like I said, they just bring nice saltiness and depth of flavor to the dish. They're not gonna bring any fishiness if you're not a fan. Just try it, trust me. And of course, the pecorino gives nice creaminess to the overall dish. This is amazing. I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.